Hi Rohui, this song is from us to you. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change been spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that we wasted, all of our bridges went down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm in paradise, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. It's on your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forget yesterday. I gave my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges went down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we call it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's all gone. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. Now I'm at a payphone.
Bye.
Love you.
Everybody say one thing.
Hey.
Hey, I'm Rachel.
Hey, I just look at my
I just met you.
and this is crazy. But
Hi. Take care of yourself.
hello, don't miss her so much. Hi, I'm at a payphone. No, you're not. I miss you. Oh. Love. Is it a video? Yeah.
Hey, we didn't ignore you on purpose. We are doing this for you.
Yeah.
We love you.
Yeah. From now onwards we can ignore you already.
At 12:51 AM.
Bye.
And Taruna has a test tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh, I haven't studied. No,
He fucking stupid.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, faster stand her now.
Yeah, what's the